NotebookLM, the AI-powered research and writing assistant, just got a major upgrade for students and lifelong learners. Let's dive into the two new features that will change the way you study: flashcards and quizzes. Getting started is simple. Once you've added your sources to a notebook, you'll see new options in the Studio panel. Just click Flashcards to instantly generate a set of cards based on your materials. And if you want to test your knowledge, click Quiz to create a custom quiz. I've already generated a set of flashcards and a quiz for this notebook on the history of space exploration. Let's check them out. Clicking on Apollo flashcards opens up a deck of 74 cards. You can see the question on the front and click See Answer to flip the card over. If you need more information, the Explain button will give you a detailed breakdown of the topic right in the NotebookLM chat. For a more immersive experience, you can expand the flashcard viewer and flip through your cards with ease. This makes studying not only effective, but also fun. Now, let's take a look at the quiz feature. Just like with flashcards, you can expand the quiz for a focused view. If you're stuck on a question, there's a handy hint button to nudge you in the right direction. After you've answered, NotebookLM will tell you if you were correct and provide an explanation. For a deeper dive, you can click Explain to get a more detailed answer in the chat. But that's not all. You can customize both your flashcards and quizzes. Choose the number of cards or questions, set the difficulty level, and even focus on specific topics within your sources. You can also select which of your source materials to use for generating your study aids. This level of customization ensures that you're studying exactly what you need to. These new features in NotebookLM are designed to make learning more interactive and effective. Create flashcards to reinforce key concepts and take quizzes to test your knowledge, all within one powerful tool.